Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to this channel again. If you've subscribed already, I appreciate all that you do. I see all of the love, the likes, the shares, the comments. I am indeed grateful. Today we're going to be working on this 10 inches factory bob wig in umber, black roots and burgundy color. Okay, so we're going to start from the very beginning. Hi there, if you're joining us, my name is Umar. This is a hair beauty channel where we talk everything hairstyling tips, the business of hair, and you also get to see the ins and outs of what my day-to-day is like. So back to the beginning. So first things first, tools you're going to be needing. For straight wigs, you're basically going to need your hair straightener. Like, you cannot do without this hair straightener. You're also going to need a comb, a tail comb, or just a small white tooth comb. Then you are also going to need your moisturizing oil, like depending on which part of the country you are. I don't know what is available, but if you're in Nigeria, anything with argan oil, it's good. Like, it's good practice. I always do not encourage or advise coconut oil. It is very thick. I say if you must use that, then please, you must mix it with water. Okay, so you don't want something that is too thick because you do not want so much residue on your wigs. At least you want your customers to be able to enjoy this wig before they bring it to you for a retouch. So as you can see what she's doing, you first pack your hair up and you begin to section the hair in tiny bits. I always say the tinier the sections, the better the results you would get, because when you make them tinier, you don't have to work your way around it 7 times. If they are too big, you find that you would have to go back for a retouch a couple of times to be able to get it to that desired look. So as you can see, she's just picking them one at a time, and she applies the hair serum or moisturizer on it and uses the hot comb. So the effect you have at the bottom of the wig, where the bottom is bent slightly or curved rather slightly, is what you call bob. Okay, so no wig originally comes as bob. Like, there's no type of hair in the market that is just bobbed. It is a style, and know that because it is a style and because it is human hair, as time goes on, as you constantly wear it every day, the bob is going to unbob itself, right? Like, it's going to straighten out. So you're going to necessarily need to always style it to give you that bob look. Also, this wig we're working with, yes, it's a factory wig, but it's not super double drawn, meaning that you're going to need to style it more often than necessary if it was a bone straight, or if it was a super double drawn. So I think we have a class, or I'm going to have to do a class on hair types and what to know for each hair type, like your single drawn, your double drawn, your super double drawn. It goes a long way to help you know how best to manage and maintain your wigs, right? Okay, so just enjoy the video, watch the process, see what she does, how she goes about it. Let me just add that styling is more creative than just, I want to do this thing because I want to make money. Okay, even though I know that a lot of things drive us, like if money is your drive and it drives you to do what you do really, really good, then please keep at it. But styling requires a lot of patience, like a lot of patience. If you feel like you don't have energy or patience for this, that's fine. I always preach that you must not do everything yourself. If you can find someone who specializes in this, that's great. But this video is supposed to be for you to be able to do it yourself in situations where you want to do something yourself, you know, very fast and quick, and you probably may not find someone who has the time to invest into that, so you're not stranded. You can still, walk around it even if you don't necessarily like it. So it's going to take a lot of your time, and it has to do with a lot of calculations. As you get to the top, you're going to understand what I mean when I say calculations, because if you cut the hair in sections wrongly and you style it towards a different direction, just know that it's like a computer, it's like a computer program. It only gives you what you put inside it, right? So the style you're gonna get is the way you positioned it. Now we've gotten to the top of the hair, which is the frontal area. As you can see how she's taking this in sections and applying the wax stick on it. Again, wax stick is always, you are always going to need your wax stick to keep those stray hairs at bay, okay? So the ideal practice is that when you apply on one section, you should use your hot comb to take it down. But you can also do what she's doing. She parted the hair in sections and applied the wax stick on each sections, and then went in with her hot comb. Now you can understand why she took this particular step instead of using the hot comb immediately after each application, because of the way she was styling it. You can see everything at that top that was bulky, everything is now flattened. Okay, so you're going to do this step for the other part of the hair too. I tell you something, styling is therapeutic for me. I don't know about you, but if you really want to do this business, you want to do this and enjoy it, you have to be patient and you have to enjoy the process. Try a lot of things. Don't just stick to what I tell you. Ask me questions, post questions. You see, we learn from asking questions, and funny, I also learn by answering a lot of your questions. There may be something I didn't think about, some method I never thought about, some kind of approach, but your asking that question would enlighten me on that. And now I would always come and share the tips and the eyes with you, because girl, we gotta make this, get this money in the bag together. Okay, it's not just only me. If it's only me winning, then it's not fun. If it's only me, I won't be here sharing this content with you. So I hope that with this class you are able to sit at home by yourself and style your wigs and style your client wigs as well. Remember that when we're done with this and you have to give it to your customer or to your client, or you even have to use it, don't forget what we talked about in the previous video we had when we also talked about styling, that you should customize the lace to look like your scalp. There are two ways you can customize your lace. You can either bleach your lace, or you can use your foundation underneath your lace. This is to make that lace area look like your scalp, okay? And you can wear this wig as glueless or with glue, okay? If you don't know how to wear this as glueless, in the subsequent videos, I hope I have the time. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and on our website.